Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your 3D paint application and importing the model. Make sure UVs are laid out and the scale is correct. Once done, set the texture size to 2048 or 4096 depending on detail needs. This balances quality versus memory. You should select a PBR shader so paints react realistically to lighting. Then assign material slots and bake basic maps like normals and ambient occlusion. Baking now prevents surprises later and gives consistent base shading for painting. You now build from a solid base. Block in broad colors and roughness on a base layer so subsequent layers blend predictably. As you continue, add mask-driven wear, edge dirt, and procedural grunge for realistic variation. Procedural methods save time and remain editable. Make manual passes with alphas for scratches and decals, and use symmetry or clone to speed repetitive areas. Once mid-detail work is stable, create adjustment layers for hue/levels so you can tune appearance without destructive edits. You finish by baking final maps, normal, curvature, metallic, roughness, and albedo. Then inspect seams in 3D view. Seams often reveal UV or padding issues. Once satisfied, export textures as PNG or TGA and choose 8 or 16-bit depending on color fidelity. Export the model as FBX if needed. If colors shift in your target engine, make sure textures use correct color spaces, albedo and sRGB. Maps like normals and linear. If problems persist, recheck UV padding and mipmaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.